All right, here we go. This is a waiting moment of everyone. So shout out to Boss Toto, Paul, Ma'am Chawi Harder, and First Derek Bonilla, and also Ma'am Tang Bonilla. We would like to thank also for our sponsor here in ITSA, Golden 3A, Harris Homes, Donic Philippines for our official ball, Wangwan Way Table Tennis Club, and also BMC Pension House, DMX Aluminum, Celan, Cellmate, Captain Raj, Arias, Hubs 44, Sir Hubs 44, and Captain Armando Tajo, Sir Gibbs, Motorcycle Parts, and Rudy Magbanwa, and also uh, Kata, Capiz Table Tennis Association, and also the IBP, a group of lawyers all here at Iloilo City. Thank you very much for all the supports and for the sponsorship at the first Chawi Sports Classic Hardbat National Open Championship Tournament this December 18 and 21, 2024. Thank you very much to our big boss, Boss Toto Paul, and advance happy birthday, and to Ma'am Chawi Harder. Thank you very much for all your support. This is Coach Darwin, coach of Chavi Sports Center, and the tournament manager of the Hardbat Championship Match 2024. And thank you also for our guest here, Coach Ponte, Rogelio Ponte, all the way from Manila. Thank you very much, and to all the team Bacolod, thank you very much, and to all the team Iloilo City, thank you very much. So this is it, guys. We will announce the from the third runner-up. So here we go for the third runner-up of this event of the first Chawi Sports Classic Hardbat National Open Championship Tournament 2024. No other than from Manila, Coach Rogelio Ponte Jr. All right. Hey, cool. But thank you for everything else. Coach Rogelio Ponte, please. Can you sign? Yeah.
Fine.
Picture.
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, for the second runner-up. Here we go, all the way from Bacolod City and Iloilo City. No other than Coach Rico Camaring. All right, from Cabangcalan, Negros Occidental.
1, 2, 3. Ay.
Hey. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And for the first runner-up, yung pinakabatang bata, 16 years old pag gumalaw.
17.
17 ba? Alright, sige, 17 na raw eh. Sabi nga nila eh. Sabi ni Coach Dopin yun eh. Alright, so, ano ba yung, ano dyan, yung tinake na vitamins? Robos Extreme, alright, no other than Sir Felipe Ipitacio, all the way from Bacolod City.
One, two, three, smile.
And the champion for the night, no other than from Chavi Sports, Joseph Cruz. All right. Woo!
One, two, three. Ano pa? One, two, three. Okay.
Hey, sorry. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ito, lahat.
Hindi ko pa. Narambang ah. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Ano pa? Smile. Oh.
Okay, good evening everyone. This is Coach Darwin, your host for tonight, and we have right now is from Manila, the president of the Philippine Classic Hardball Table Tennis Federation, no other than Coach Rogelio Ponte. So, Coach, kamusta po yung laro mo dito, Coach?
Nagkulang because of siguro muna sa preparation, biglaan din. And ang purpose of my visit here is to support classic hardball in the Philippines. And congratulations for all the winners, the young guns, and also especially to organizer and sponsor si Boss Toto, ang Chawi, and also to director ng Visayas Classic Hardball, Darwin, Wagwagway, Uy.
All right, thank you very much.
Congratulations for your very successful Classic Hardball National Tournament. Congratulations.
All right, thank you very much, Coach Ponte. God bless you. So, Coach, nag-enjoy ka ba dito sa Iloilo sa stay mo?
I enjoy dahil na-promote natin yung classic table tennis hardball o hardball tournament dito sa Iloilo. So the best. At least lumalaki, dumadami ang mga classic table tennis players.
So,
and one of the event is hardball.
All right. So, Coach, ano masasabi mo sa mga hardbaterong pingpongeros natin dyan from different places?
To all this yung gustong mag-join dahil dumadami na ang mga hardbatero all over the Philippines. May mga tournament, incoming tournament sa Bacolod. And also, please support our team in Macau na nag-join. Actually, participation is not competitive player. Nag-join because we don't have participant player. Kaya kami yung nandun para at least to promote Philippines Classic Table Tennis Federation. Yan yung mga tinatawag na Harbat, Sandpaper, and Bearwood. So yung Philippines ipinopromote natin sa kanila.
Alright. So, baka may gusto kang i-shout out dyan, Coach Ponte. Yung mga...
Shoutout sa mga liador, shoutout sa mga all Harbat, all over the Philippines. Yan, shoutout sa inyo. Mag-practice na kayo. Dahil dumadami na to. Diba ganda na yung ating mga klasikong laro ng table tennis.
Alright, thank you very much, Coach Ponte. Thank you very much. Alright. Alright, nandito ngayon yung Team Bacolod, guys. So, interviewin natin sila isa-isa. Sir Felipe! Alright, ano masasabi mo ngayon sa ating tournament?
Maganda. Successful ang tournament. Very nice. Sa sunod sa naman sa Bacolod.
Alright, so ano masasabi mo sa ating big boss? Kay Boss Toto Paul.
Thank you, Boss Paul. Thank you very much. Nice game. Ayun, sa February, siya din ang ano ba tawag doon? Yung mag-sponsor.
Alright, alright.
Wala bang libre dyan?
Alright, so Coach Dopen in the house. So ano masasabi niyo po, Coach? So palaro natin sa ngayon.
Ang masasabi ko ay para sa may mga edad, napakagandang laro ito dahil masaya at saka pang may edad talaga. Saka nagpapasalamat din kami kay Busing Toto Paul dahil kung hindi sa Harbat, wala na kami rito. So dahil may plano si Toto Paul na sunod-sunod yung tournament ng Harbat, bilang mga senior, malaking bagay sa amin yan dahil makapag-exercise kami ulit para sa palarong ito. Kaya, boss, thank you guys sa support mo sa amin. Thank you, boss.
Alright, thank you very much. That was Coach Dopen. Alright. Ready?
1, 2, 3.